Hi everybody, this video I'll be sharing with you guys products from the Chanel 2023 collection that I have on my face. So if you guys are interested, do stick around. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Christina. I do product reviews on luxury beauty, skincare, and makeup. Occasionally I might share a luxury accessory review or a vlog here and there. So please press the subscribe button down below and the notification bell beside it if you have not, so that you can be notified when I upload a new video. So today, you guys, I am going to share something that I have teased quite a bit on my Instagram, which is the Chanel Fall 2023 collection. I brought a few pieces that I found interesting to add to my current collection, and I wanted to review it with you guys. I've used them quite a bit now, so I purchased them I think the day after they launched. At that time I was in Toronto and I was able to grab the pieces that I wanted. So I'm going to begin first and foremost with I think the most coveted one, and usually during these launches it's this blush harmony. It's usually the blush harmony, whether it's a blush or like a luminizer, and most of the time for good reason, because it's a limited edition formula, limited edition product, and usually just based off history, like they are really beautiful, amazing products. So this one is, this is the blush harmony. I think the name of the collection is the Equinox. So this one is $7.98 beige rose at mauve, and I think there's a beige rose at coral, but I got the mauve one. This one, I will put the link of all these products down below, you guys. You get 9 grams, so it's a little larger than your traditional blush, and it comes with a velvet pouch, of course. As you can see, I've used it quite a bit. You can see all the fingerprints, but it comes with your Chanel moon shaped brush. But just a warning, you guys, I tried using this with this and not too good. I think because it's too dense and it creates such a harsh line. And this one, compared to the usual juice contrast blushes where it's baked, this one is different. So I think this one is a bit more pigmented. So this is it right here. Beautiful color, beautiful Chanel emboss. This variation in color goes all the way down. This is not an overspray. It's what I have on my cheeks right now. This is a beautiful beige, and I think it is the most beautiful fall blush I've ever owned. It really speaks. It feels a little less pinkish, more in the brownish almost. I don't know. I don't have a color like this. The closest one I can think of is Hourglass's Mood Exposure. No. Yeah, Mood Exposure from Hourglass, which is like a beigey neutral. Let me show you how it looks. So this is Mood Exposure, and this is the Chanel one. I think this would be the closest if I had to compare it, but let me show you a swatch. So you kind of mix both, and it looks a little crazy, but don't mind my nail. I broke that nail. But look how it looks. It really is a true muted mauve. It doesn't pull too brown, it doesn't pull too dark or pink. And because of the uniqueness in color, it almost doubles as a bronzer. And I think for my skin tone, obviously if you're a bit lighter, this might appear darker, but this is just such a perfect neutral. And it's also quite pigmented, you guys. This one, compared to other Chanel blush harmonies or other blush formulas for Chanel that I have, is a little more neutral. Let me quickly swatch the Mood Exposure for you guys. This one is actually looks a bit more pink, but so this is the Chanel, this is Mood Exposure. Why does it look so light? It almost looks like a highlighter. Wait, let me just get more from the darker side. That's so weird. This is Mood Exposure. I don't know why it looks so light. This is the Chanel, this is Mood Exposure. And it almost looks like a highlighter. I'm not so sure, but on my skin it doesn't translate like that. But anyway, so that is the blush harmony. I highly recommend this. I will put the link down below. I'm pretty sure you can still get it. A lot of places still have it, but run. This is a product that I say run. This is gonna be useful beyond this fall, obviously. Next fall, as a transition color, I think this is just gorgeous. It adds warmth, but not too brown warmth. Like it's not really brown, it's not really pink, but it just adds such a healthy glowing complexion to your skin, and I think it's a perfect fall color. The next product are the Ombre Premier Libre, which are the loose eyeshadows. This is a definitely new product category. I got 2 colors. I also shared that on my Instagram. I think I did, yes. So it comes in glass packaging like this, and then when you see the box packaging, I'll also link these below. This is how they look. It almost looks like the nail polish. So glass packaging, and then you have a very, very short fat stubby doe foot applicator. So this one is Sycamore. This one I honestly really love. I put it in my TikTok showing how I applied it, and this one is a bit tricky to apply because it is very, very loose pigments, and when I say loose, they're also very finely milled. They're not just loose, so you have to be very careful because a lot will go flying around and you're gonna waste a lot of product. But for the Sycamore one, particularly the Sycamore, I think this is 402. Am I correct? Yeah, 402. This is the lightest one. This is the only one, because I'm not so sure why, then I can use the applicator directly on the eye. It doesn't seem to have any fallout, and I'm not so sure if it's because the shadow is just very light. But let me show you guys. So I'm gonna put it right here. Right, let me get more. Maybe I didn't get. So I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh my god, can you guys see that? I'm gonna try to grab some with my fingers. I'm not so sure why it's not okay, I have some in my finger. Let me try to do it here. Oh my god, I don't know with the lighting, but I don't know if you guys can see that. I think it almost matches my skin, that's why. But when I put it on my lid, so on my lower lid, that's mostly what it is. I didn't put anything else. It is kind of like a shimmery beige gold, and it is just gorgeous, you guys. It's gorgeous. This one you can use, oh there, I got a bit more. It still looks so faint. Here you go. So this one is beautiful, not just for the fall. If there's one that I would recommend, especially if you're just a neutral girly or you want to be able to use it more than the fall, 402 is gorgeous. It's gorgeous if you just want to do a very simple day look, maybe a little liner and mascara. You can definitely wear it as a daily kind of eyeshadow. The second color I got is 408 Acacia. This one now, I think that when the pigments start getting darker, you definitely cannot apply it straight with a doe foot applicator. You're just gonna get so much fallout. So what I do is I use a precision brush, any precision brush actually. I have a few, so something like this, and I will first put or even grab some directly from the sides. You don't need a lot. Let me just show you how it works. So maybe I'll get some in the tip. And even that, you can already get some fallout. So you have to be very careful, you guys. And that's how it looks. I'm gonna give you guys a better swatch. Let me just get it with my fingers and give you a bigger swatch. This is kind of like a purpley mauve. I think this is gorgeous to just put on your crease or define your crease, or maybe even if you want to do a smoky eye, you can just do a single shadow look. This one has a bit of a mauvey reddish undertone to it, but it looks very good on the lid. So these are the only 2 shadows I have. I did not put or use anything else. I like the the formula is very good. It's very pigmented, but the only thing I would say about these is that they're a bit tricky. They can be a little messy, especially the darker ones. This Sycamore, I don't know why, it's a bit less messy, like hardly any fallout, but this one, especially because the powder is so finely milled, and then obviously it's a darker color, you can immediately see. I tried applying the darker shade with the doe foot applicator. You can immediately see like little specks. It falls down here, and then it's just crazy difficult to remove. But other than that, like I have eczema on my eyes, the formula is very, like, it didn't irritate my eyes at all, and they last a long time. And I honestly think, you guys, these colors are like beautiful even beyond fall, but I think as fall colors, they are amazing transitional colors for winter and for colder months. I think these are perfect fall colors. And besides being fall colors, I think they're amazing to add on with any other palettes that you have. These specific colors, I think, is what spoke to me. I would recommend Sycamore, and then I really like Acacia because it's a very unique color, but I think any other shade that you want darker, you can choose as well. I will put the links down below. So that is about it, you guys. Those are the products that I grabbed from the Chanel Fall 2023 collection called Equinox. I think those are the must-haves. I think the loose eyeshadows are beautiful. They're a new category. And then obviously the blush harmony, like, you can't go wrong. So that is about it, you guys. I hope you found this video interesting and informative. Let me know if you have any questions down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day or a great evening.